What's the difference between the keto diet and the Atkins diet, and which is better? So they are similar diets and they both focus on cutting carbs to change the hormonal signals for appetite and fat metabolism. The keto diet focuses on the importance of fueling your body with healthy fats and sets a specific percentage of macronutrients, which is high in healthy fats. Usually around 75% of your calories are coming from fat. Adequate protein, around 25% of your calories are coming from protein every day, and low carbohydrates, around 5%. So you do this in order to move your body into ketosis or fat burning mode and use fats in the form of ketones as its main source of energy. Now, in contrast, the Atkins diet allows as much protein and fat as you want, and it actually has two phases. The first phase is the introductory phase, and it's very similar to the ketogenic diet in terms of nutrient ratios, but after that initial phase, you can introduce more carbohydrates to your diet. Now, the Atkins diet was also modified to encourage people to eat more green vegetables and salads to ensure there was enough micronutrition. Although similar, the ketogenic diet is believed to deliver more rapid health benefits and increase weight loss by controlling the calories you get from fat, protein, and carbs, also known as your macronutrient ratios.